Value homophily is the idea that relationships are more common among people with similar values. But what roles does value homophily play in the forming of business friendships? And is it important for value similarity to exist in keeping those friendships? By analyzing the impact of similar individual values to study the dynamics of business friendships, researchers found that while common values are important in the formation of business friendships, they matter little in keeping those friendships intact long-term. As it turns out, having common values is very important in the formation of business friendships. At work, a person is much more likely to form a relationship with someone who shares his or her values. In fact, value homophily has a greater effect on the formation of friendships at work than other factors, such as race, gender, or age. But when it comes to maintaining these friendships, having common values doesn't matter at all. Business friendships tend to remain most strong if there are instrumental or mutual benefits present. This all comes about because what really matters for creating and sustaining a friendship is understanding rather than sharing each other's values. That understanding occurs naturally if those values are similar, and it builds over time if people with different values form a friendship for other reasons. This understanding can also be achieved strategically. If you explain your values and learn about others' values, you build a bridge that will allow you to connect to almost anyone. Wonder what is most important in forming and keeping business friendships? If so, you may want to read this paper.